Hey, what's up, everybody? This is your girl, staceymayeparker, and welcome to my life. All right, so what?
I can't find the salt. Where's the salt?
What do you need salt for?
On my lemon. It's in the refrigerator.
We're not, okay, come on. Where's your snacks? What are you going to carry your snacks in? We're about to go for a walk, and we're going to go to our, well, it's not really our space. It's kind of like my space that I'm sharing. And we're waiting on this one. Come on, Olivia. Oh, this is upside down. Okay. I'm trying to get this together. We're gonna figure it out. So, Olivia, you ready? I found your other shoe. Are you sure you want to wear those? Those are the ones you're gonna walk in. Okay, we'll be right back.
Hey everybody, it's Sammy, and today, we are about to go to,
It's too long to get out of the house.
we're about to go to this, what's it called, a lake?
We're going to the lake in our neighborhood.
Yeah, we're going to our neighborhood lake.
And we're just gonna get some exercise and go enjoy the lake. All right. Bye.
See y'all later.
You and Samantha are the only ones stepping on the cracks.
Oh.
Hey,
What does it mean when you step on cracks?
when you step on a crack, you break your mama's back.
Okay.
Luckily, your back has it.
You break everyone's back when you step on cracks?
I think my back has already been broken, but
But you're not even anyone's mom, so.
she said break everybody's.
Oh, she did say everybody's back gets broken.
But
If you step
I'm
on
the
the
only
crack,
one.
then
whose
you'll
back
break
is
your
broken.
back.
Wait, so
Wait, you have to physically do it or it just happens?
you've been stepping on every single crack because this whole cement is made out of crack.
Do you know how many cracks I step on a regular basis?
Do you know how many cracks I don't step on a regular basis? Do you know how
Do
much
you
time?
know how many cracks you don't step on?
Do you know? Do you know how long I was?
Everybody steps on cracks.
Girl,
Yeah, exactly. That's the point. Everyone steps on cracks, and guess what?
cracks right now, Olivia.
Guess what?
All of them.
Guess what? No one's back is cracked or broken.
Mine is cracked.
No, it's not.
My neck is
You'll
sore.
fall in the crack, and then you'll break your back. I can hear a cricket. Like,
It's rather cloudy out.
oh,
Look at this
that.
greenery, though. It's
We're here. What is that bird?
we are indeed.
we're back, and so I'm going to tell you all the things that we're here for. We're just here to get exercise, and we're walking back to the chair, and then I want to find some rocks, some of my power rocks.
Is that on you, Olivia?
It is. And then we're still walking, seeing sticks on the ground, and not looking where we're going.
Oh yeah, we gotta make sure we don't trip over these sticks. Good job, Olivia.
You just jinxed it. I just tripped.
That's why she was trying to look down. She didn't want to fall.
So and we're here beside the water now, and now we're in the sun where it's really, really hot. And then we're about to sit down now. So that's all.
All right, so we're almost to the house. Oh my goodness, y'all. We had a good workout time. It's a lot though, huh? This is what Mommy does every day. And sometimes I go out of the neighborhood. I just figured I would bring them on my walk with me today. We don't usually go walking together.
There's a reason
But
for
they need vitamin D. You need some sun.
I've got enough vitamin.
You need some fresh air.
No, I already got enough sun.
Okay, good. Look, we're almost here, y'all.
My knees hurt.
We're almost here. And look, if y'all go walking with me every day, it's going to get funner. It's going to get easier.
Can we walk in the winter?
In the winter? Well,
This sun is too hot.
yeah, I guess it is easier to, but you know, Samantha, if you had on tennis shoes and workout clothes, you would probably have a better time.
She can't take it anymore. Here, that can
Look,
you carry
baby,
it?
we're almost there. The car is right there.
Can you carry it?
Y'all pray for them.
Please
Pray for them.
send a robot to carry it.
Kids are
Send
supposed to have energy.
Google. Send Daddy. Send help, please. Just carry us. We're hurting. She's running. I don't even know how she's running.
All right, crossing the street.
I don't have time to stop.
All right, come here. You see that truck? Come on. Run, run, run. Go straight to the trash cans. I might take them over there, y'all, but they just take so much of my day. Maybe we will go to the pool. I don't know. I just have so much work to do. I'm going to show y'all what I do on a regular basis. All right, you ready?
Take it anymore.
Okay, we are here. First thing you're going to do is
Sleep.
go wash your hands, take your shoes off in the mud area. Let's do that first. Shoes off. Ooh, don't the AC feels so good. Good workout, ladies. Shoes off. Ooh, dinner is cooking up real good. I gotta organize my area. Huh? I don't know. I have to. Ooh, I'm sorry, baby. I gotta see. Can you hang that up, please? On the thing. I know that as I get used to this, I'm going to be able to use better words than pick the thing up and put it on the thing. I'm going to figure this out. So, okay. They are tired. But this is what's happening in our crock pot. I got to mix my stuff together. Go wash your hands, please. Go wash your hands.
I go first.
Under that is my chicken. Ooh, look at that. It's a whole chicken. Olivia. I mean, Liv. Please do what your name says and live. Get up. You're making yourself hotter. Anyway, this is my chicken. Let me know if y'all want me to do a video of how I put this together. It's so many goodies in here. I like to call them dump bags. I literally put as much in it as I can. But yeah, it's one of my staple meals that I love to make for my family. And oh, we got some jambalaya rice over here. I'm gonna get a spoon. I like to, it's like a dump kind of meal today. I got shrimp, sausage in here. It's kind of like dirty rice. Uh-oh, let me see. Let me put that down in there.
What if you drop it?
For ya. Oh, I gotta figure this out, y'all. I'm gonna figure it out. There we go. This is so crazy. All right, yeah. So my rice is almost already done. That's good. Usually rice takes a while. But this is my jambalaya rice. So I'm gonna put it on low. We got some green beans in here that I put in a crock pot. I got some garlic cloves in here. I have some white onion in here. I put a little bit of salt. This is water and the juice from these are canned goods. But I put a couple of garlic cloves, so I'm gonna let those stew down. We got a whole watermelon in that bowl that we need to eat. So we might do watermelon smoothies tomorrow or later on tonight, watermelon bowls. And these are just some black beans that I want to put in the crock pot, just on the third part, because tomorrow is Taco Tuesday.
Yay!
And we love Taco Tuesday in this house.
I have school Wednesday.
And we have our watermelon, yes. And we actually have tried some of these. My mom got this for me, and she got me another cookbook when I went off to college. Cooking on a budget, grocery shopping on a budget. So that's something that I want to do, especially with you, because like I said, I'm raising very independent women, and I know that they're going to know what they want to do in their life, and they're going to be, as soon as they get old enough, they're going to be gone. And I want y'all to know how to cook, how to clean, how to live, so you can enjoy life. Okay?
Okay.
All right. See y'all later.